You are going to love the 2011 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.